What's up you guys, Tomy Shaw here, and how to profit from crisis, okay? I know this topic is a little bit negative, but anyways, just bear me out. Because when I was doing my course in finance, what I've noticed is that unstable economies, like economies that are in crisis, states that are in crisis, usually when you look at their inflation rate, if it's hyperinflation or high inflation, I thought of a strategy that if you bet against that currency, you're able to make a lot of money. Let's just look at this example, okay? In the Venezuela crisis, when it started out around 2019 or 2016, it started in 2016, we saw that it was beginning the hyperinflation rate. So if somebody would have invested $1 in 2017, he would be a billionaire. He would be worth $1.8 billion today. As you can see, the currency was at 1 USD for 1 Venezuela, and then in 2019 this went up to $178,000 Venezuelan dollars, okay? So it was 0.0001 in 2017, and now it's worth 1 USD for 178,000 Venezuela. So this is incredible. If you look at Iranian, any country with a lot of inflation, you just bet against their currency and you're able to make this money, okay? What I've noticed is that as long as the currency is, or as long as the country is having high inflation and you're betting it with a stable currency or a stable country like the US, what's going to happen is that it's practically sure that this currency is going to lose value according to the currency that is stable, okay? So when we look at inflation from the Venezuela crisis in 2016, it had 274% inflation, 2017 863%, 2018 9,586%. Overall inflation for these 3 years, 53,798,500% inflation. That's crazy, okay? Just imagine you have $100,000 or you have $53 million. It's worth $1 at the end of all that inflation, okay? How can you protect yourself? The only way you can protect yourself is if you have companies or you have commodities, you have oil, you have maybe some gold, land, anything, because you can't protect yourself, or you take your money out of the country. I know that Venezuela people can't take their currency into another currency, okay? And you can't look up this currency on the forex market, even if you're looking, but I know some people are making a lot of money with this strategy. I don't know who's doing it, but I'm pretty sure these big hedge funds, somebody that can hedge their position, are able to make a lot of money with this strategy, okay? So exactly, so the strategy I already explained it in the beginning of the video. What you do is you look for a stable currency and you look for a currency that has a lot of inflation and you bet against that currency, okay? So hopefully this video makes sense. You're able to get some value out of this video, and if you like this kind of information, you feel like sharing, you feel like subscribing, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.